Hello everyone. So previously we have developed a CRUD operation. We'll try to execute it locally, and now we will try to deploy it on a server side. That is on any of the cloud. Here in our case, we'll use the Google Cloud. We already tried to deploy it previously in the GKE, but now we have a database and we have a full CRUD operation, and we'll also see the H2 console over there. But I'll show you what kind of problems that we will face. So first of all, let's see that, and I'll also try to help in that. That will try to solve the problem that what kind of embedded server how we can access using the H2 hyphen console. All right. So here our application is already there. Now I have a Docker file as well over here. Okay, and what I will do is simply I'll just remove. You can also remove everything and just simply say start.jar. So here we have only one jar which has been created over here. So now let us first of all let's we already have book.jar and images also have. Let's check the what kind of image did we have. Docker images, and we have this book app 1.0. So what I will do is simply go to the Google Cloud and we'll create a Google Kubernetes engine. So now we can go to the Google portal and we can search for this Kubernetes engine or clusters, and we can go over there. All right. So here what I will do is simply go to the clusters and click on create. Okay. And then I'll just go with the default I already explained previously. So let's wait for some time. So this may take some time. So until this server is starting, what we'll do is simply we'll use the Docker push. So I'll just uh, use this command so that we can push it to our public repository. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so our image has been pushed. Now let's see. Uh, Go back to the Kubernetes cluster and still trying to provisioning. Okay, so our cluster is ready. So now let's go to this shell, the cloud shell over here, and we'll try to deploy our application into Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so now Cloud Shell is ready. So first of all, I'll just go with this editor where we have our previous Spring Boot .yml is there, and here I will use this the latest one uh, the image over here, and rest of the things I already explained previously. The only thing which I added is um, these are the environment variables like username and password. These are for the H2 embedded database. So username is simply use user123 and password is pass123. All right. Go back to the terminal and here kubectl. If you see the file is the same directory, so simply kubectl apply f for file and then spring boot yml. But before that, what we have to do is simply go to this cluster and click on this connect and copy this uh, gcloud container credential, and again go back to this open terminal and just paste over here. So this will store the credential for this Kubernetes, and now we can try again kubectl apply. Okay, so it looked like the deployment and the service is created, but pod might not be up. So let's see, get pods, and it's still in the pending status. It may take it varies between these two cloud services. In case of Google, many times it takes a couple of minutes or maybe a 3-4 minutes. So let's wait for some time. I'll pause the video. Another way is that what you can do is just simply say hyphen hyphen watch, so that you do not have to again and again run the command, and it will, whenever there is any status change, it will show over here. Now it is the status has changed to container creating, and now then it will be in the running status. Okay, so we are getting some error. Let's see the editor. Oh, I'm sorry, I just used this thing. Okay, so now let's try again. And let's watch. Now it look like the status has changed, so I'll just exit and check what is the status. kubectl get ports is running. Okay, so now let's see what we'll do. Simply get deployment. Yeah, our deployment is ready. Now let's see the IP address. So get svc, and we have this external IP. And what I'll do, simply here I'll try here, and I'll simply say books 143 yeah. So our, yeah, we got all the books which has been there as a part of embedded server at the start of the data.sql. Now if I try this console and if I say refresh, then I will get this error: s2 console, sorry, remote connection, web allow others are disabled on this server. So what we can do at the time of this kind of situation, if you face, we just need to update our application.properties and we are done. So what the property name is, simply say, I would say, go to this application property, or you can use the application YAML, and you just put this property string s2 console settings as web allow others is equal to true. Now what we have to do is simply um, clean, and then we have to again recompile a package, and then after again we will create a new image, and then we'll try to deploy it. Now let us build another image. We'll go to the Docker file. I just update this 1.1, here 1.1, and also 1.1. Now let's build our Docker image with 1.1 tag. Okay, and then we'll directly use this 1.1. Now let us go to this Google terminal and redeploy this application. Before that, we need to upgrade our image number. Okay, and go to the terminal and see kubectl apply some apps YAML, and then let's wait for some time. Okay, and this may take 2-3 minutes. I'll pause the video again. It'll replace the previous pod with the new pod. Now let us check again, because it's showing the running status, and the previous one it is showing the term status. So I'll just check get pods, and now let's check the svc, and we have the same URL. Now let us try to refresh again application, and now let us again refresh this s2 console. Application is working fine, and our s2 console is ready. So now what we'll do, I'll simply we use this application.property and this database URL and paste over here, and use this user 123 and PWS 123. Check the connection and success, and now we can log in. So if you face this kind of issue, then you can resolve in this way. Okay, right, let's see, and our application has all the 3 entries over there. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.